How to block someone on Monopoly Go. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. And once you do that, click on the friends icon at the bottom right. And as soon as you do that, you will get this page right here, from which you want to click on the option at the top right that says leaderboard. And once you do that, make sure that from these options right here you are on the friends options. Now once you do that, all what you need to do in order to uh, block someone is to just click on it, and once you do that you will get this option that says remove. If you clicked on it, you will get this confirmation pop-up window that asks you, are you sure you want to do that? Click on remove, and as soon as you do that, this person will be removed from your friends list. And it works the same way as block, since block is not available on Monopoly Go at the time of this recording. So that's the alternative for it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block people on Monopoly Go. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.